Big up to the soloist when named Stacy. The judge them fear and them no face stick. Uno rock and come in. Everybody, uno rock and come in. Uno.
Whoa, I, la 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 la. Whoa, la, whoa.
You're now at the semi-final stage.
Right.
I take it's been a long day. Tell us what has transpired and you know what are you looking forward to over the next a couple of hours and then finals next week.
Alright. So we started the day with quarterfinal rounds. 6 of the 7 bands made it through. Fern Court unfortunately couldn't make it here today. Out of the 6, top 3, St. Mary High, Pembroke Hall High, and of course I think it's Pappy. I'm not sure, but yes. But all the bands looking good so far. Now at semi-final round, where they're performing the best of the series and an original song. And only 4 will make it to the final.
Finals next week, yeah.
They're doing remix and fusion. That means they have to choose a classic or popular song and remix it with a different genre. So that should be exciting. And of course, it's only 4 and it's best of 4 for top 3. We'll be getting cash prizes and other trophies and all the nice things and festivities.
Okay, tell us about what prizes are for the top 3.
Okay, so it's cash prizes, $300,000 for first place, $200,000 for second place, and $150,000 for third place, courtesy of Chase, and of course trophies. Music March is chipping in with some musical instruments for the top winners, of course, and again recording session for the best original song from Ira Youth Music